To make the best decisions, you need to understand your data. To understand data, you need to interact with it. This is where Keylines can help. Keylines is a toolkit for building game-changing interactive visualizations that turn complex graph data into insight. These visualizations help your users explore their data, spot patterns, and communicate insight quickly. Let's see an example. This data set represents data traffic inside an organization. There are thousands of emails, each with a sender, recipient, and timestamp. Seeing data like this, it's impossible to find any useful insight. When those thousands of rows of data are loaded into a Keylines chart, we get a much clearer picture. Here we've modeled people as nodes and the emails between them as links. If we resize the links by email volume, we reveal more about how this network functions. Over here, for example, Bill Williams is sharing a lot of emails, but rarely receives any. Our chart is quite cluttered, but we can clear some of the clutter using Keylines' Combine function, which groups nodes by shared attributes, in this case, their team. Again, we can see Bill is the only connection between his team and the rest of the company. We've found that Bill is a hub. But let's look at some other important people in our network. The Keylines API has a number of social network analysis measures. In a single click, we can find nodes with the most connections, or those which act as critical paths between different parts of the network. Another useful dimension is time. The Keylines time bar reveals network trends and node activity and allows you to play the network to watch it evolve. The example here shows just some of the functions available in the Keylines API. With a few lines of JavaScript code, you can also deploy layouts to untangle complex networks, add filters to understand larger data sets, or see your networks on a map. Thanks to an integration with ArangoDB's Fox microservice framework, it's easy to integrate Keylines and ArangoDB in your graph analysis applications. Keylines uses WebGL rendering, making it powerful enough to visualize tens of thousands of nodes in a single view, with an HTML5 fallback for compatibility with any web browser. Using the Keylines API, you can create your own visual appearance and choose the functionality you need. The result is an interactive graph tool custom designed for your users, their data, and the questions they need to answer. From fraud detection to cybersecurity, Keylines makes it easy for your users to join the dots in their graph data. If you're building a product that requires a graph interface, we'd be happy to help. Visit our website for more information and try it for yourself.